For how beautiful this place is at only a moment's notice. It can be just as deadly.
And it just started downpouring like crazy.
You know, this is why this is one of the most dangerous places in the world. This waterfall is now becoming wider and wider, which are creating flash flood conditions.
Right, we're literally getting flooded out of the Amazon right now.
The only way out was through the same steep and slippery terrain that got us here. And now we had to do it while the entire forest was flash flooding.
You can see the flash flooding. Now the path is blocked off. And if I fall, that's the waterfall. Right over there. Look at this water. Like, seriously, no joke.
Grab the rope and pull yourself up.
Don't let me die. And after hours and hours of trekking through the floods and muck, we walked away from this mountain with our lives.